This inquiry researched the effect of plastic, specifically plastic water bottles, on the Pacific Ocean, its marine life and human health. The Pacific Garbage Patch, which is made up of debris from land, such as plastic bottles and bags, was researched to find an indication of the ratio of plastic in the ocean to marine life. As well as this, the consumption of seafood contaminated by these plastic chemicals and the effects to human health was examined. There were a number of key findings made during this inquiry. Firstly, that plastic outnumbers plankton in the Pacific Garbage Patch 6-1. Together with the finding that plastic water bottles never biodegrade. Instead, they break down into small microplastic pieces. This means marine life such as these plankton mistake it for food and eat it. These smaller marine animals can then be prey to larger creatures, possibly causing secondary ingestion in seabirds. This finding means that the plastic pollution in our oceans is not just affecting marine life, but other animal life as well. Another key finding was that the chemical components of plastics have been linked to reductions in testosterone and fertility, as well as to increases in the number of prostate cancer patients and mutations in the genitals of baby boys. These chemicals are found in the seafood which have consumed it in the oceans. This seafood is then eaten by humans. Finally, it was found that there are a number of organisations, companies and individuals trying to improve this plastic plague in the world's oceans. There has been apps designed to track areas of waste in the ocean, as well as recycling procedures made to manufacture products from the PET plastic, which water bottles are made from. There is a number of ways we can act to reverse the effects of these bottles in our oceans, not just the Pacific. Firstly, to stop purchasing water in plastic bottles. The water from our taps in Australia is clean and healthy to drink. Secondly, reuse drink bottles and always have one nearby, in the car, in your bag or in the office, so you are not tempted to purchase one. Thirdly, when discarding any type of plastic, not just water bottles, make sure to recycle. If no recycle bin can be found on the street, wait until you can place it in the recycle bin at your home or work. This will help to reduce the amount of plastic which ends up polluting our streets and waterways. Fourthly, more pressure needs to be put on the manufacturers of water bottles by the general public. These companies need to find ways to produce bottles made from biodegradable materials, which will not take 1,000 years to break down. This can be done by refusing to purchase their products, as well as petitions and lobbying to the local councils and government. Finally, the public need to start making smarter choices about the seafood they purchase. This can be done by researching the areas where seafood is caught to ensure you are buying locally sourced food. This can help to sustain not only human health, but the well-being of the world's oceans and its marine life.